Toyota is van patient transport vehicle. Van patient transport vehicle is the Yanga District Hospital. Okay, sis. All right. Okay, sis is there. Yanga District Hospital, province of Surigao del Sur. Van patient transport vehicle. Van. Stations highest van. Okay. Is the van patient transport vehicle. Yanga. Yanga District Hospital. Good plans. All right. Okay. Okay. Right.